Hello everybody, so welcome to my Data Jug YouTube channel. So guys, here we will discuss how to clean your data, how to clean your textual data and pre-process your textual data. So let's just start here. So first I have imported some libraries like pandas and regular expression here, and that is the one Python library, NLP library, that is the NLTK. And from the NLTK I have imported word tokenite to split the sentence in the token, and from that NLTK I have imported the stop word. So we use stop words to remove the stop word is like each, am, are, the, and upon. So there are several stop words, so we have imported in English format. So again after that here I am using one very famous dataset, that is a major review dataset. So that dataset has very huge amount of data. So apart from that I have using only 20,000 data point for now, because it takes lot of time to pre-process the data, because due to the volume of that data. All right, here so there is currently 20,000 row and 10 column. So let's understand some column and some feature about that data set. So there are some ID, product ID, user ID, profile name, helpfulness number, and helpfulness denominator, score, time, and some other features are there like summary and the text. We will focus here to on the text column, text feature. So we will focus here how to clean your data to, and so we will do lot of stuff, because in that data set we have HTML tagged, and so we will remove the this tag. So for initially I have iterated through the top means first 10 row of that data. So we want to know that how the data is coming. So data is coming in this form, in the textual form, and you know that there the angle bracket and some HTTP some HTML tag is there, so we can remove this things. And so this is the first 10 data point of that data set. So here what I am doing here, I am created one HTML tag and function, and after that we are using a regular expression module to impute removing the tags. So we are here some method using, and whatever the tags is coming we are removing is, and passing that text and return that text. Again after that one function I have created here for the removing the stop words. So stop words I like your is, am, are, on, the, all these the words are stop words. So first what we are doing in that function, we creating the text into lower format. After creating the lower text, so for the version one tokenize text, after tokenize the text, if that word is not in the stop words, so we will store in the list comprehension format. So and return and join that text. So this is the remove stop word function. And how will we remove words? So removing words function is that some words are too length, like suppose word is like ma. So ma is not coming in stop word list. So two length of two word doesn't hold any meaningful results. So I have used so many cases. So for that reason I use this function. I remove those words whose length is 2. And yes, so this is the data, and we are creating the data df text. So this is my text, and apply the lambda function, remove the HTML tag and creating that the same column. And after that what I'm doing here, remove the punctuation mark using some pandas inbuilt function for using a regular expression, and removing the digits. Some in textual data some digits are also present, so we have removed in that textual data. So all data is now clean. So let me run all these things once again, whatever I have told. on all right. So we have also, so these some warning is coming. This is not a error, this is the warning, so ignore it. And let's check that dear fed. So check that textual data here. Alright, so now we have not used a remove stopword and remover. So again, using the lambda function. So what will the lambda function? Then it treating the all the columns. So all the columns, each data point will be function will be apply, and it is stored in that text column. So for the same things will we go for the remove stopword. So alright, I think remove words, sorry, remove words. So we will run it, and now we will run this. Here I am iterating the loop to that column for the first 10 rows, and let's see the result here. So you know that textual data is a huge, means length of textual data is very high, and so this that's why it takes some time. So this is now, you are not any no stopword is coming, and any no words the length of has 2 is not coming, like each am the, and no in any kind of word that length of has 2, it is not coming. So now we got that. Now our data is clean. Next things, and so stemming is a process of converting word of sentence into non-positional form. So suppose that if we take the example that is amusing, amusement, and amused. So if we create a stemming for the all three words, so result will become like AMS, AMUS. So this is the stemming. So for the stemming purpose, there are several kind of method available for the stemming. So from the NLTK library we will use snowball stemmer, and so here imported the snowball stemmer method, and after that we add snowball stemmer for the English language. So because we are dealing with the English textual data, so now here in this cell we have created one function, stemming function, and passing the text data. So NLTK dot what tokenize the text. So you means tokenize the text. Suppose that your text data is like this way. What tokenize means that suppose data have some value. Suppose your string is so what the tokenization means. So yeah, tokenize means your all each word will be have the in the in list. So tokenize will become here like data have some comma values. So this is the tokenization thing. So here I am commenting these things. So for the explanation purpose I here written all right here. So now I'm using this meta snowball stemmer, that is variable, and for calling the method, and for each word we are stemming here, and after that each stemming will be stored in the list comprehension and join the that stemmed words. So let's run this function, and so here we are using the text data and creating for the additional column that will be stemming text. So let me run it. Okay, so this is the same for loop I'm commenting here. Okay, so let's see here that is the stemming part of that column. So df stemming text dot head 10. Okay, do you know that each irrespective of the each data points we have stems, so all the words look health, food, remind, beat, cereal, bag, vanilla flavor, I have try, frozen, explode. I think this is the contraction word. So in the next video we will look how to clean the data in deeply manner, like removing the contraction word. So contraction word I will come later. Okay, so this way we have used stemming and remove utilize the stemming method. Now we will look what is the lemmatization. So lemmatization is a process of converting word of sentence to create the dictionary form. So suppose if you have the same example as we discussed in earlier in the stemming method. Suppose we have the words like amusement and amusing and amuse. So if we implement lemmatization on these three words, so the lemma for each would be amuse. So one thing is that lemmatization take lot of more time compared to stemming, because it try to make each for the each lemma or the each word to create the root word or the dictionary word. So that's why it takes lot of time. So for the NLTK library, I have using WordNet lemmatizer, lemmatizer. So again, it creating the one variable. So as we created this function for the strings, in the same way we have created for the lemmatization function here. So first we tokenize the each word, and after that tokenizing the each in tokenization convert the each word to lemmatized form and join the method and return that lemma word. So here again on that original textual data we had applied the lambda function and pass that lemmatization function, this function to this function, and store in the one separate column, that is lemmatized text. And let me run here. And so let's see the lemmatization result. Let me copy here. Dot head dot 10. So for the each first we are all right, let me comment here. You know that here, so we are looking the result for the lemmatization of health foods, refined wheat cereal. So we use both kind of technique for the while the creating the vectorization. Sometimes we use lemmatized and sometimes use the stemming. So it depends upon how the result is performing, because there is no thumb up rule, so we should be used. So and one thing that is again we can do more on text processing, like how to remove the email, and how to remove any http url, and how to find out the hashtag, and how to use contraction. So initially I have told you that some word contraction. So contraction is that some people write like this way, hive. So it is equivalent that I have. So this is this word is the called your contraction. So first it is also very good practice to remove the contraction word, and there are also there is the one Python based library for to use the contraction thing. So it will be converted your this words to the I have again. So we can after that we use stop words to remove this thing. And after that several way it's depend upon our the project requirement, how should we clean the data. So this is whatever I have discussed here, I have told you. This is the very basic and generic data cleaning purpose. And so this is all for this video, and in the next video I will how to clean your Twitter data in very deep methods. So I will show you in the next video. If this video help you, please like and share the video with your friends and colleagues.